you guys feeling dangerous today or what? Because the case I got right here, it's not for the faint of heart. I gotta tell you, I mean, this is barely a case, if you can call it that. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is right here. Natural, beautiful titanium. But this particular case right here is actually not a case. It's more of a bumper case, if you will. By the way, this is available on Amazon if you guys are interested. You can just search for rear bear corner pad and it'll come up. So let's go ahead and open it. I'll show you guys what's included in the package. So you got your wet and dry pads, and this is all you get. So this obviously goes on the bottom, double-sided tape. This will cover your camera and the upper layer of the phone, and that's all you get. So let's go ahead and wipe off the phone with the wet wipe and go ahead and install it. Now, this is the type of case that you'll get if you have guts, if you have Apple Pay, if you're not going to the club, if you're not going to a bar, places like that. You don't want to have this case. I highly do not recommend it. In any of those scenarios, you got somebody bumping into you, and there goes that phone. And hopefully you had Apple Pay by then. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get the dry wipes. Really, what you gotta do is just the top and the bottom here. That's about it. Alright. So let's do the bottom first. Let's make sure we got the right speakers because they're not equal. So it goes like this. Alright. That's pretty easy. Alright. So let's go ahead and put that in there. It sort of just falls into place, honestly. You don't gotta do much. You just want to make sure that you line up those speakers. All right, that's it. We're all set at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get the top. All right, the moment of truth. There you go, guys. You're all set. Ready to hit the road. Boom. Now, if you want to show off your phone, go ahead and get this case. Oh, this bumper. If you got Apple Pay, by all means. Oh, by the way, yeah, that is barely. I mean, ever so slightly, barely offers any protection on the front there, glass, and for the bottom, it's about the same. All right, so yeah, it is not Slime Boy certified. So yeah, what you get is a very good camera protection. Those lenses are covered, and if you drop it in the corner, it might bounce off, and then you might be alright from 2 to 3 feet. But that's about it. I don't recommend this case. I do think it's very cool for aesthetics effects. You know, one day you're going to a restaurant, you got a meeting, you want to flex what you got, you pay a lot of money for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you throw on that case. Another thing that's not a pro by any means is that once you want to exchange it, like the Rinky here that I unboxed in the previous video, if you want to take this off and put on another case, will this still work? I doubt it, but let's find out. It's actually pretty sturdy in there. Let me tell you, it's so sturdy that if you were to take it off, I don't think it'll work, because you kind of have to yank it off. If I'm being honest, yeah, it's there for good. Let me tell you, the camera part did come off fairly easy. Well, there's that tape coming right off. I mean, once you put it on, you kind of have to commit to it, you know? And the residue sort of just wipes off. There's actually nothing in there already. Let's go ahead and take off this bottom piece. And there's that. And you're off the hook. You can go ahead and put any other case. It will glue back on, honestly. It would. You have to give it a good push, but yeah. What are your thoughts on this bumper case, or slight protection of bumpers, if you could call it that? Would you guys rock that? Would you guys be daring enough to put that on your flagship phones? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.